Okay, let's see. This should be the concluding part of our dashboard. So from here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to enclose the slicers now. So from here, from one of the pivot table, I'll click on this, then insert slicer. The slicer that I have is types and season. Good. Type and season. Then I can pick each of them, pick them together, hold your shift, click on the other one, Control X to cut it and bring it here, Control V to have it here. Good. So when I have this, I'm going to okay, I'll click on slicer now, then I will click on 3. No, the columns should be 3. Let's see how the other one looks. What we have, okay, season before type. Okay, so type will be here. Then for the season, I will change it to 3 columns as well. Then have this. Then here, yeah. Then I'll drop it here. Good. I'll drop it here. So you can see that this is telling me that this needs to be wider a little bit. Yeah, it needs to be wider so that it can accommodate what I want it to accommodate. Or I have to reduce this. Okay. Yes. Let's shift this. Then this other guy, I'm going to shift this as well. No, not this one. Not this one. Okay, is this guy. So I'm going to shift it here so that it's going to accommodate my winter slicer. Okay, good. Then this will be here. Yeah, so I think this is good. Then for the slicer, so I'll start with this slicer report connection, because I want the slicer to affect all the visual that I have. For instance, if I click on winter now, you can see that it's only affecting these particular visuals. It's not affecting every other one, which is not fine. If I click on drink, it's only affecting this and it's not affecting every other one. That is not what I want. I want it to affect everything. So I'll click on slicer, then report connection. I'm going to open this up. Then I'm going to select every other pivot table that I have, in the pivot table sheet. So if I click on this now, you see that it's going to affect everything. It's affecting the country, these report here, these, and even the numbers that we have here. You can also see that they are changing, and that is what I want. So the same thing I'll do for the type, report connection. Then I'm going to select every item. Okay, good. Yes, everything is changing. Yes, it's changing. Yeah, that's good. So the next thing that we're going to do now is want to format the background. So I'll come to view here, grid line, remove all the grid lines, then Control A to select all the cells. I'll come here, then I'm going to give it a very nice background. Okay, good. Yeah, I think this is a good background. You can see with my background, I can see the alignment that I need to do. Good. This is really nice. So from here, so firstly is that let me align these 3 guys. So I'll select the 3 of them, come to shape format, align, align top. It's going to align them appropriately. Then come here, distribute horizontally. Then it will do that for me. I can also just, okay, yes. Then I'll bring it down. You can hold your shift to bring it down so that it comes down uniformly. Then these 2 come down. I want it to also come down uniformly also. Okay, good. So the next thing that I need to do is to include all this total score and every other thing. That is pretty easy as well. So I can case and point, I can just do another text box and type total score here. Yeah, and that is it. So but I need to format it in a way that it will be cool. Fill, you can see it's not fill. Outline, no outline, which is fine. Then I bring it on top of this. total score. Then I can give it make it a little bit bold. Then I can control shift, then drag it here so that it copies it for me. This is total count. Is total count or total food? Anyone goes. Let's look at the time. 5 minutes. Okay, we're on point. Then I'll drag this here. Average, um, average popularity score. You can write it full as you want, so I just choose to have it this way, which is fine for me. Another thing that I would want to do is, if you look at this, you see that the background here is a little bit curved. So what I did here is this: you click on one of the chart, come to format, shape fill, no fill, so that everything will be transparent. Outline, no outline. The same thing here: no fill, no outline. Then lastly for this, no fill, no outline, which is good. Then insert, then I'll come and insert what I want. I want this rounded rectangle, so I'll put it here, make it round a little bit. Outline, no. In, I want it white, but I want to send it to the back. Good, send to the back. Then I'll come here, shadow, let it be like this. Wow, you can see it pop out. And that is how to get that, as simple as that. Good. Then Control C, Control V, so that I'll copy that, lay it on top of this, then send to the back as well. Control C, Control V. Then here, let it be white. Yes, send to the back. Good. So that is how to have this cool pop-up. So I need to now write winter food and beverage report. So so I can do it in so many ways. I can pick one of these guys, Control C, Control V. So I'm going to put it here. Then I'll delete all these, just clear them. I don't need that. So let me write winter food. Oh, sorry, food and beverage reports. Good. Winter food and beverage report. A little bit smaller. Okay. Okay. So let's see the way we'll design this. Okay, close to this side. Okay, because you need to get the alignment right. You need to get the alignment right. Then let's make it bold. Good. And winter report. Okay, it has to be on one line. Cool. It has to be on one line. Okay, so what I can do is I can shift this guy a little bit, then shift this slicer a little bit. Can even reduce it. Oh no, everything I have to show at once. Okay, good. Then shift this guy. Yeah, yes. I want the alignment. Yes, I want this alignment. Yes, this is what I want. Then from here, so what I need to now do is to insert my icon. You see that my icon is here, this icon. So where I got it from is I got it from flaticons.com. Yeah, so most of the icons that I got, you just come to flaticon.com and you'll be able to get a lot of icons that you want. So just type food in your search button, then you download. Then from your download, you can insert it directly in your report. So for me, I'll come to insert, come to picture from this device. Then I'm going to, okay, so this is the wrong one. Okay, yes, from here, insert picture from this device, and I have that. So you come to your download where you have your icon, then you pick it. Yes, you can see I have it here, very big guy. Then I hold my shift. Always hold your shift to reduce an image so that it reduces it uniformly. If you don't hold your shift, then it's going to, the alignment may not be good. So I'm going to do this. Yeah, then put it here. going to reduce this guy a little bit. Yes. Let it be bigger. Yes, and that is what we have. So this is our report that we have created from scratch. Thank you for staying here with me all along. So I want to reduce this here. So from here now, then I can screenshot this and do every other thing that I need to do. So from here, I can write a report about this on Medium. I can also write a report about this on GitHub in order to host the report that I've done. You know, you can use Medium, you can use GitHub or any other platform where you can use to host your portfolio uh, project. So this is a good, simple, and direct project that you can have as a data analyst at the beginner level. You know, at more advanced level, we can also do some other things. Yeah, I think that is pretty all. One last thing about alignment. What I would advise is that you have to let these, for alignment's sake, anyway, for alignment's sake, I would want these to align with this. Yes. Then spread this guy. Yes. Spread this guy. Yes, for alignment's sake. I think this is pretty cool for alignment. Thank you very much. Thanks for staying with me all this while. See you in our other project. Bye bye.